Hey, hi everyone, Piyush Mittal this side, and today I'll discuss that how can you implement API keys to secure your APIs in AWS Lambda. So here I have lots of API created, and I'll discuss and I'll demonstrate that how to secure your APIs. So here I have this API, and using this API, I just store some data to my database. I'll just showcase that data to you. So this is the table, and I have total 47 records here, and I'll just try to insert 48 record, and that will be saved in our database sample name. So here you can see that the customer name is sample name. Here I am, posting my data and or saving my data without any restriction because I do not have any authorization implemented in my API. So it is open API, and as of now, anybody can, save its data uh, using this API. So as of now, in header, I have only one key, that is content type, and value is application JSON. So here we do not have any sort of authorization or any sort of restriction uh, of calling our API. So here I am sending that data to the server. So here you can see that status is 200, and if I'll update my database, yeah. So here you can see that I have one more data insert in my database, and the customer name is sample name, and the record number was 48, so it was 48 record uh, inserted to my database. So how if I want to implement API keys to secure my API, I'll just go to the users plan. I'll click on create, just give the usage name, and here you can also configure your throttling and quota as well. So it is not required as of now, and I'll not select throttling and quota right now. Click on next, and at API stage. So here you can add your API stage here. So click on add API stage. Just click on your API, and it will ask for the stage of your API. So I have selected development stage and click on add. So it's been added. Click on next. So here it will ask to add your API key, or which is already available or you have already created, or you can create a new API key which you want to create right now. So as of now, I'll just demonstrate how to create your new key. So click on create API key, and give test key here, and it has created one test key, right? So click on done. So this is your test key, and which has been attached to your payment gateway, and the stage is dev. Uh, this uses plan has been attached to your payment gateway API, and how can you enable your API keys in your APIs. So click on your APIs, go to the payment gateway, click on the sources, go to the host of webhook, click on method request. Here you have one flag that is API key required. So you have to click on that and select as true. Click on update and just deploy your API. So you have uploaded or deployed your API and you need to have that API key in order to make a request to your API. So here I'll just show you what error it will throw if you are not providing that token while calling your service. So see, it is sending one message that forbidden. It is sending this message because I have, not providing this API key while calling or while making a call to this API. So just provide a key named X API key into the header and just make the request. So here this status is 200 and it would have saved this data again to our table. So you can see this data has been saved here. If I provide this token while making a call to my API, if I remove this API, I mean if I remove this token, I'll just get message forbidden as a return for my API. So here I'll not be having a new record in my table. So there would be only 49 records right now. So 49 only. So I cannot make a call to my API until unless I just provide this API key. So this is another way to secure your APIs outside the world. Uh, in order to make a call to your API, you need to provide this token. So this is all about the API keys. If you have any sort of question, you just drop a message below, and I'll try to sort out your problems. So thanks for watching the video, and hope I'll create some more videos on AWS. Bye bye.